Fix, and I'm going to show you how to use bookmarks for doors and visits to save you some time. Okay, now I'm going to go to bookmarks to just show you, and then I have no bookmarks here, so I'll go backwards, and then I'm going to go to doors, and then I'm going to go to this door, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then you see bookmark here. You can also view more to view a bigger actions box. So I'm going to go to bookmark, and then that will show it successfully bookmarked. Then I'm going to go back home, and then I'm going to go to bookmarks down here. Then as you can see, that address has been added to the bookmarks now. So I'm going to go here, and then you can edit it, view it, or delete it. So I'm going to view the door. As you can see, it brought me back to that door. So if you have a lot of doors, it's a really big time saver on if you want to go back to that specific door for some reason. So I'm going to go backwards, and then I'm going to go backwards, go to the home, and then I'm going to go visits, and then I'll just go to this visit up here. And as you can see, there's a bookmark on the visit as well. So I'm going to bookmark this visit, and then I'm going to go home, and I'm going to go down to bookmarks. Then as you can see, it bookmarked that visit, so I'm going to go in here, and then you can get back to that visit by going here. And it's a really quick way to keep up with your doors and visits and the ones that are really important to go back to if you want to. But you can also delete the bookmark, and then that bookmark will be gone. So that's a really quick way to keep up with your doors and visits, and have a great day. Bye bye.